Whoa! Encelium took me to the edge! Hello, this is Floyd Chapman from SeaTac Lighting and Controls, and thanks for tuning in to SeaTac Studios. I'm going to talk to you today about one of my favorite simple lighting control systems, Encelium Edge by Osram. Edge is a wireless product that can be used on almost any small to medium-sized space to help you meet today's energy code and give the end user the ultimate flexibility through an easy-to-use mobile app. Think about this control system as a simple solution for small commercial spaces, warehouses, medical clinics, educational spaces, parking lots, and hospitality. You may be thinking, did he just say hospitality? Aren't most of those fixtures line voltage dimmable? Yes, hospitality is possible, and we will be diving into that solution shortly. Let's explore the parts and pieces that make this system work. The first thing we're going to look at is the wireless manager. Yeah, this thing about the size of a cell phone. Think of this as your standalone router for the project. It does not connect to the building's IT network, as it does not need internet for access, period. It is powered by PoE and should be placed in the center of your project. The wireless manager communicates through a Zigbee mesh signal to a maximum of 100 devices within an area as large as a 30,000 square foot circle. There are 4 ways to control fixtures. There is a 4 amp relay with 0 to 10 volt dimming that is good for a single fixture or a small group of fixtures and is called a WCM. If you have a larger group of fixtures, you can use the 20 amp 0 to 10 volt relay called a WALC. The WALC is the most common relay used on projects. If you have fixtures that require line voltage dimming, Encelium has the phase cut dimming module, or PCDM. Wait, where is it? I've got one, hold on. Whew, that was heavy. This relay works for both 120 or 277 volt and dims both forward and reverse phase. Through the app, you can tailor the PCDM relay to match the line voltage fixture's dimming curve. This is perfect for those hospitality projects such as restaurants, hotel lobbies, or even small galleries where owner-provided fixtures are called out and you may not know the dimming curve during design. Wirelessly controlled line voltage track? You bet. Oh, don't need this one anymore. For exterior fixtures, you can control them with an interior mounted WALC, yeah, that 20 amp module, or mount a relay outside using a twist lock module called a WSLC. This has a built-in photosensor, does 0 to 10 volt dimming, and has on-off control. The module has a really long range of 1,000 feet, meaning wireless signals in a parking lot are not an issue. The WSLC can control an individual fixture or a group of fixtures. You have 2 options for sensors, wired or wireless. Encelium's wireless sensor uses a pair of AA batteries and can be mounted to just about any surface. My favorite is using the magnets right to the grid or on the underside of a metal crossbeam. It's available in 3 options: 450 square feet with micro motion sensitivity, 1,500 square feet for large spaces, and a high base sensor with mounting height up to 40 feet, great for those big warehouse spaces. This sensor not only handles occupancy, but also does daylight harvesting. Can't get this thing off. On the WALC is a 24 volt port that matches up with just about anybody's occupancy vacancy sensor. Maybe you need a dual tech sensor, a wet location sensor, or just don't want to use batteries. This is a great solution. It is a perfect option for those multi-stall bathrooms. Wall stations have 3 flavors. Just kidding. A 2-button, a 3-scene, and a 5-scene. The switches can either be powered with 2 AA batteries if you are recessing in the wall, or 4 AAA batteries if you're surface mounting. Or again, if you don't want batteries, you can tether a wired switch back to our favorite WALC. And let's not forget about the plug load. This relay resembles the WALC and can switch an entire circuit receptacle in response to occupancy and/or time schedules. How simple is it to bring all these parts together? Scan, group, and go. Every device has a QR code that you scan with your phone. In the mobile app, you create an area, scan the device you want, and then hit commission. Boom, it's really that easy. After adding devices, you can include time schedules, astro clock settings, set scene levels, single zone versus multi-zone daylighting, or change timeout durations for the sensors. If your project expands down the road and you need more advanced features like building integration, remote access, energy reporting, or the ability to see multiple wireless managers on one screen, you can always upgrade to the Encelium Extend software without changing any hardware. Now that you know Encelium Edge, please feel free to reach out to your local SeaTac rep and get your hands on these readily available products today.
Please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos.